My appreciation of the English class. In this class, I felt very comforted because the activities were dynamic and really helping my practice the language in a natural way. I really liked that the focus was on speaking in English, where the thorough personal presentation, topic presentation, are activities outside the classroom. Um, so going out to eat and ordering food in English or recreation brochures. All of these may fall more involved than helped may gradually lose the fear of making mistakes when speaking. For the next class, in taking can improve my participation even more and daring to use more vocabulary. I would also like to practice certain expression to feel more confident when having a conversation. I feel with a little more practice and confidence and can make much more progress in the ways communicate in English.